Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be seeing how this Forstner bit, otherwise called a hole saw, works on wood. So I ideally wanted one that is bigger than 28 mm in diameter, but I got this and I hope this will work for the purpose that I need them. So I want to drill a hole so that I can attach these test tubes. There is an artwork I'm working on and I'll need that. So we are going to try this on. So they say it's a tungsten carbide YG8 tip with carbon steel with brad point. Brad point, I think it should be that tip. That is what they call the brad point. That helps you when you're drilling. You can start at one point and the drill will not go from side to side. So we're going to try this today. So we're going to start by inserting it in our drill. So I want to do the hole right around that place. Let's see how it works. So there you have it. So it cuts really nicely, and the result process is that the sides are very smooth. This extra line, I had just missed the spot for a while. I was not concentrating, but it cuts really nicely and leaves only a small hole at the bottom as compared to when you're drilling with a spade bit. So let's see if my test tube will fit inside. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. My test tube fits inside and I'm happy. So guys, that's how you drill a hole into a piece of wood using a Forstner bit. So a review of this specific one is that it cuts really smoothly, but after a while, after it goes in a little bit, it starts to smoke. So maybe next time I'll try a different brand other than this Dinky that is China made. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.